Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add someone or something to your image. So with this feature, you can insert a completely new person, animal, or object into your image. Nano AI understands the direction of light, camera angle, shadows, and surrounding textures, allowing you to place the new subject in a way that feels natural and believable. So you can position and add person or object anywhere in the frame and resize them to match the perspective. AI then blends the color, shadows, and edges, making the added element look like it's truly belonged in the original image. So we'll go ahead and open up Gemini, and here we'll use Nano Banana to go ahead and add someone to my image. So I'll go ahead and add an image first. I'll go ahead and choose an image. Let's go ahead and choose this person here. Now I'll go ahead and ask Gemini to add a kangaroo behind this person. Please add a kangaroo standing behind this person.
Sure, here is the image.
And there you go. So this is what the image was. There's nothing there, only the person. However, when we go ahead and look at the new image, there's a kangaroo standing behind this person. And as you can see, it looks really natural. It looks like the kangaroo was there and the image has been taken like this. So this way you can basically add missing family members or pets to a group photo. You can create fun, imaginative, or a themed image. This is useful for storytelling, branding, or creative marketing. And this way you can easily simulate scenes without physical photo shoots. So there you go guys, that is how to add someone or something to your image on your Samsung Galaxy device using Nano Banana.